Welcome to all of you. Today I am going to explain the junk seller chapter from page number 67. Let's start the question answers. So on page number 67 our first question is of multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to use either box method or long multiplication method for solving these questions. Answers I have written over here. Moving to the next question. Fill my diary. Kiran bought some junk from the junk collectors. She paid them rupees 841. She sold the junk at Dinu's big shop and Dinu gave her these notes and coins. So Kiran ने कुछ junk collector से खरीदा means scrap material and she paid them rupees 841 means उसने rupees 841 she had given to junk collector. She sold the junk at Dinu's big shop and Dinu gave her these notes and coins. So उसने जो junk था उसको Dinu's की big shop में sold किया means कि बेचा and Dinu gave her these notes and coins. Dinu ने ये notes और coins उसे दिए. Now here you can see notes and coins and Kiran wrote the record in her diary. This is Kiran's diary and she has written all the record in her diary. Okay. So here you can see 6 notes of rupees 100. So 6 notes of rupees 100 means 6 times rupees 100 and it will be equal to rupees 600. Next you can see 3 notes of rupees 50 means 3 times rupees 50 and it will be equal to rupees 150. Next you can see 7 notes of rupees 20 means 7 times rupees 20, so it will be equal to rupees 140. Next you can see 6 notes of rupees 10 means 6 times rupees 10 and answer will be rupees 60. Next 8 notes of rupees 5, so 8 times rupees 5 equals rupees 40 and the last one is 4 coins of rupee 1, so 4 times rupee 1 equals rupees 4. So after adding all these amount, Kiran has got rupees 994 and she has written here in her diary. So here in the question you can see she paid them rupees 841 means she has paid rupees 841 to the junk collector. So this amount she has got from Dinu. Now what you have to do, you have to subtract rupees 841 from this amount means rupees 994 and this difference rupees 153 she has earned. So she has written money I earned equals rupees 153. So moving to the next question. Okay, so here I have done the calculation so that it would be more easy for you to understand. Moving to the next part. Now this is your second question, second part of the same question. Later she paid rupees 919 to the junk collector. When she sold the junk she got these notes and coins from Dinu. So she got these notes and coins from Dinu after paying rupees 919 to the junk collector. Okay. Now you make a record in her diary, find out how much she earned this time. Now first we will solve this and here you can see this one 28 coins of rupees 5. So 28 coins of rupees 5 means rupees 140. Next this one 5 notes of rupees 100, so 5 times rupees 100 equals rupees 500. Next is 1 note of rupees 50, so 1 time rupees 50 equal rupees 50. Next is 9 notes of rupees 20 and it will be equal to rupees 180 and here you have 18 notes of rupees 10 and it will be equal to rupees 180. Here you can see in the record also that that you have to write. Okay, so here in this record you can see all the amount we have written here, and after writing the amount, what you have to do, the amount Kiran got from Dinu we have written here, and after that we have added all the amount. After adding the amount, we are getting rupees 1050, and it is already given in the question that she has paid rupees 919 to the junk collector, and you have to find how much she earned. So what you have to do here, you have to subtract rupees 919 from rupees 1050. So after doing subtraction, you are getting rupees 131, that, and this amount Kiran has earned. Okay, so with this we come to an end, and we have completed this chapter. I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.